Well, it's an absolutely gorgeous day today, so I thought I'd get some crushing in. Got zero wind, so it makes the dust kind of an issue, but here's the crusher open, and it's actually cleaner than what I thought it would be. I need to clean it out because I'm going to go and start other buckets, but you can see how fine that took that down. Push that through just to make sure it fits. It's going into the bucket that I'll be dumping the other stuff in. I'm not exactly sure what that is. It's a piece of lead. Could be off one of the chains. Get this cleaned out a little bit. Yeah, see again how fine that is. I love this little machine for a really fine grind. I want to clean it out because I'm running separate samples and I don't want to contaminate. I want to minimize the contamination from sample to sample. That's why I'm doing this. Now I'll show you what I'm going down to, or from what I'm crushing and what I'm going down to. This is second crush, and you can see how fine that is. Whoa, and you can see how dusty it is too. And this is what I'm crushing down from. So you can see how much coarser that is. Now, if there's any gold in this, and everything I've been finding is microfine gold, it's contained within this coarse grind. That's why I want to get it down to this really fine grind. This is about the consistency of a really fine crush for your coffee. If you do the crushing, you can get that really fine crush or grind, and it's real powdery. That's what this is. I'm taking it down that far. I'm going to hand pan that pretty soon here and see if I can find anything. And when I do that, I'll get back to you. Alright, what I've done is I managed to crush down a second bucket, and these are two samples from two separate buckets, two separate samples, crushed down really fine, almost baby powder fine, dish soap, and a bucket of water. Microfine gold can float on the water surface, so you use the dish soap to break the surface tension on the water so the gold will sink. Now, one of the things I get asked kind of quite often is, okay, you're crushing rock, aren't you going to crush the gold? Well, no. Gold won't crush. Gold will change its shape, but it won't crush. So let's say I'm crushing down my big rock to a little rock, and I actually have a big nugget in there. That nugget will not crush down, and it will not pass through the screen that I'm crushing the rock down to. So what it does is it ends up staying inside the crusher. So when I clean the crusher out, then I find this misshapen, what used to be a gold nugget, but they generally just flatten out. But they won't break up. They just change shape and stay together. So no, I have not seen nugget gold out here in this part of Arizona, nor in central Arizona where I'm working now. We don't have nugget gold for the most part. We have microfine. There is some flake gold, and there are some nuggets in Arizona, but really, really rare, and I haven't found any, just microfine gold. But that's okay, because I can still be 2-3 ounces a ton on microfine, which is about $4,000 at 3 ounces a ton. So yeah, microfine is okay by me. It's just a little bit harder to get out. But I'm going to hand pan these and see what I can find, and then I'll show you the results on the two samples. Wish me luck, because I really suck at hand panning. So I'll show you what I find or don't find. Alright, bottom line on those two samples, I panned those out. Like I said, I suck when I hand pan. So I did get some microfine gold. I tried to get a picture of it for the video so you could see what it looked like, but My camera wasn't getting down fine enough to get it, but there was some microfine in it. So next step is to send it off for a fire assay. Those 2 samples that I did are from my Constellation Mine in Wickenberg. These are samples from central Arizona, where I was last weekend. I still have 3 more buckets to crush down from Wickenberg, and I've got 5 buckets from central Arizona that I need to do. But they're starting out this size, and they're going down to baby powder fine. So I'm looking forward to seeing these, because I think I got some nice stuff in here. Got the lamanites and the vugs, VUG, which is a good sign. So yeah, that's all vugging in there. Eroded sulfides, some limonite, good stuff. Good indicators of gold. I just hope I have some. I'll find out later on. But thanks for hanging with me on this one. More to come. Later.